Assalamu alaikum, this is Lama from Home Synchronized. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple do-it-yourself project with vinyl decals. So all you need for this project is a lantern and a decal. I'm starting these decals, they're two color decals, and decals are stickers. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply it to a lantern and give it that beautiful look. We all know the significance of lanterns in Islam. I wrote a post about it on my blog, and I will share a link to it at the bottom of this video if you're interested. And we also know how popular Islamic calligraphy is in Islam. And so I figured, why not combine both elements, beautiful elements in Islamic design, into one. So I have a lantern and a decal with Arabic calligraphy that says Ramadan Kareem. You want to choose a lantern that has no designs on the glass because you're going to put the design on. It makes applying the decal much easier. The nice thing about this lantern is that you can remove it, so you can easily apply the decal onto the glass. The first step, of course, is clean it and wait for it to dry before you apply the decal. I put this black cardboard under it so you could see the glass and see how I'm applying the decal. Position the decal where you want it to go. Make sure it's centered. And make sure that when you apply the decal, it's not going to go under the border in the lantern. Okay, so if you want specific measurements, if your lantern has smaller glass or anything, just measure from, and you want a specific decal for that lantern, when you contact me, measure the space behind, between the border of the lantern, because this is where the area that the decal will go on. Now, using a masking tape, you want to secure the decal in place. Make sure it's centered. Now you need to peel the decal away from the paper backing, then cut it away. Cut that piece away, gently smooth it on the glass. Now you can remove the tape and then flip the decal gently, because see, when the pieces like this are still stuck on the decal, on the, I want to zoom it in. Okay, all you have to do is rub this area, then it easily lifts off. Ta-da! Okay, now gently smooth it on your glass. Then, using your squeegee or a credit card, rub over your decal. Now comes the fun part of exposing the decal. So you go at an angle, slowly go at an angle. Decals are very easy to apply on glass because it sticks easily to it. Okay. And here it is. Then you go over it gently with your finger, rub over it. This will activate the glue under the decal. Here it is. It's done. Now you simply put it back in. I chose to put it on the door of the lantern. And here it is. Here's my new lantern. Ramadan Kareem.